Hello guys, hello nationwide and worldwide again. And thank you again for watching to my Simply videos in YouTube. And thank you again that you support me and you have patience to watch my YouTube channel. And have a nice day. Now here is afternoon already in Baghdad in Iraq. I think it's 3:41 minutes. So now Sisi is with me and his friends. We didn't yet eat our lunch. I just finished, not yet 100%. I finished my work. I make pa again the floor. And now, because it's already almost 4 o'clock and I'm hungry na, and si Sisi not yet ate the lunch also. So I had the red rice and the white, which one she choose. She want the red and the white, and I make only hot dog. That's a simple lunch between me and Sisi. If they can eat all that one with his friend. So I make fried egg na lang for me, because egg, I think she has, we check if she has allergic of the egg, because she has something red. I don't know. It's not stopped. It's not removed until now. I think it's dry already. It's just like a point, but it's one spot only. Sometimes in her up of her lips, sometimes down. So we check if that one is because of the egg. But the egg kasi mostly I make her is boiled only in the breakfast. And if she eat egg with his mother and father pride, that's why maybe I don't think so. So now the boiled sausage, okay, this one. And in the breakfast pa naman, she eat only breakfast is light, the cornflakes only. And tomorrow is school, so maybe I prepare finger and sliced Kentucky, like what's the chicken, but chicken. So we check, and that's our life. That's what I do here. If she is with me, it depends what we have only in the talaja for the lunch, except of the dinner. But the lunch, we have only, it depends what we have more in the talaja, but just now, no more. We have only rice. So that's what I'm doing na lang. I-boiled ko na lang siya kasi nga, para hindi masyadong oily. Para nilimit-limit minsan. Boiled ko na lang siya. That's why, so it's finished. If it's finished, it's very hot pa also. So I stop, I make the flour again. And tomorrow is school again, same as usual. Wake up very early, prepared for the breakfast and for the lunch box. And let them to wake up early. And alhamdulillah, she take shower. Ay, naku, buhay talaga. If I'm the one to take care of them, to take shower maybe alternate or every day I let them to take shower. But sometimes kasi she don't want to me. Yeah, the smell of the red rice and the white rice. It depends. And the sausage. That's what we do here. I make can I cut this one? Saturday. It's a Saturday and it's cold. And now when I finish clean kasi I feel it hot. So I remove the jacket. Yeah, it's okay na that one. So it's half cup. Just little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. So which one? I don't know. What sugar is that? Yeah. Life. That is our life. Me, here with CC. Where sometimes we are only doing like I'm in the Philippines. That's what I do. Porcelain. Except if they are go in the restaurant and if they make order, so yan. They can eat the another what's that food? Pasta or pizza mostly. That is only that's what you want only. Because if she is giving you in the restaurant, if she is giving you another food, she don't want also. What she ordered, that's all. What she eat also in the house, that's all. Maybe because that's what also I do. Ay, nako. And sometimes if her mother is cooking chicken, yeah? Or no chicken, samak fish, grill from restaurant and making oven, here in home oven in the house, make. So ayan, I make it sway full. And hoy ko. And the dinner, I don't know what's the dinner. Okay, maybe ito it's okay na. I open the call. What you want to eat na. Hala. Hay nako, you know, I have applied here inside in the kitchen, inside in the, what's that, sometimes they go in the dining, the sala, or anywhere inside. Because if they open the sliding door, there is no screen. So, flies, mosquito, cockroach na lang ang hindi ko pa nakita na pumasok. Kasi pag nagbukas ng sliding door, walang screen. So, anytime talaga the mosquito and the flies will go at they are still in the balcony, the big one, they are big. I don't know why. Why the balcony is too much mosquito and flies? Na every day I clean the balcony. And there is power, you know? How come that one? From outside? There is no more. What's that naman? Maybe because of the garbage. Every day the garbage car, they come here to, down, but what I mean down. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. So I call na Sisi, or I fix because it's still hot. So I finished the floor of the down here. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Shout out to all subscriber of mine again, and to all nationwide and worldwide. Thank you very much that you are watching and you notice my videos under the YouTube channel. So thank you. Thank you also to support me. To support my small YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you very much. Keep safe, and whatever you go, keep safe lagi. Keep safe. Nako, Pilipinas. Good luck, Pilipinas. I wish magiging okay na lahat ng Philippines. Okay? So, take care, and God bless us all. Bye!